Oh my god. If you are finding fast, affordable hair growth remedy, then this video is for you. So keep on watching. Hello everyone, welcome to Glam Forever. I'm Aisha Gupta. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Anyways, in this video, as you can see by title, I tried 3 days rice water challenge. And why is that? Because I literally want to make a video on hair growth. Yeah, seriously. And found out everywhere rice water, and rice water. So I'm like, that one is for me, please. Yeah, it has more benefits other than this. Yeah, let's see. Let's get straight in the video. So you can make your rice water in 2 methods. Either you can soak your rice and leave it for overnight and use the next day, or you can use the rice boiling method, that which I will be showing you. The first thing you're gonna need is a bowl, and then you're gonna add a cup of any type of rice of your choice. You're gonna rinse your rice to remove any dirt and impurities that's in the rice. Before you move along, then the dirty rice water out. I personally like to do twice or thrice just to make sure everything is out. Then you are gonna add double the water again and cook your rice like how you normally do. After it's done cooked, strain the rice water and add it into a bottle. So it's a day first and my rice water is ready to apply. Sorry for this bottle, I only get this bottle in my home, and going outside it's not a safer idea. First I have to measure my hairs so we can easily find the difference. Okay, 19.5 inch. To apply, just a section and make a half bun and just spray that. Spray. You can leave it for 1 hour, minimum 1 hour, and also you can leave it for overnight. I'm just leaving it for 1 hour because I don't have much time. So yeah. Make sure you just apply it well on your skin. It's gonna go deep down and grow your hair. You can wash your hair with or without shampoo. First 2 days I didn't wash my hair with shampoo, then the last day I didn't. You can store your rice water up to 4 to 5 days. So we did complete 3 days and I'm so excited. I want to start measuring my hair right now. So yeah. We did this part now. Oh my god, it's 20.5 inch. I'm shocked. I have to digest it. So I start with 19.5 and I'm at 20.5. 1 inch in just 3 days. I'm really totally shocked and I'm so happy. So let me tell you good things happen to me. First thing, less hair fall. Literally, it just make my hair stronger. Second, easy to detangle. My hairs are too tough to detangle, and it makes them easy. So yeah, but it didn't make my hairs too much soft like my previous mask did for me. I posted some of them. You can see on I button. I put them on I button. Here's one thing you need to remember. It's not good to use very often because it's something called like a protein overload. So it's not good for your hairs. It can damage your hair. So I would recommend you to use once a week. That's for enough for you guys. So I hope you like this video, and if you like, then like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Stay happy, stay clean. Bye bye. See you in the next video.